by the end of this video, you're going to know how to make your pictures, your icons, and your graphs a lot more tidier in Excel just with a click of a button. So the key button here is the Alt button. So without the Alt button, I can select this picture and I can move it around and it just floats anywhere within Excel. So what happens is if I hold the Alt button down, see how it just snaps to the corners of the cells? So it works with moving the picture, but it also works with resizing as well. So if I grab a corner, I've got the whole Alt button held down. See how it just snaps to the cells? So it's selecting certain edges of the cells, it's just snapping to, which is amazing. It just makes your worksheet just a bit more tidier. So here's an example of an icon. So this is a embedded document into Excel, and I can drag this around. But if I hold the Alt button down and if I drag it, it just snaps into place. So what I really want is to snap it just within one cell. So if I snap it to this cell here, I then grab a corner, I can just resize it to that cell. I grab a corner here, I just resize it. Now it fits perfectly within one cell. Okay, here we have a graph. And we can kind of do the same thing. So I select the graph. If I grab the graph, I can move it around. And if I hold the Alt button down, it just snaps into position. And then what I can do is I can just take the corner of the graph, and then it also then snaps into place. So you can see it lines of this column here, and it also lines of that column there. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more Excel tips and tricks, click subscribe or just look at some of my other videos. Thanks.